Fèis is me se Ron, tá mé a cuir guitar, fiddle agus piano. So my favourite part about being a musician is playing with so many different people. So when you're in a company, say you play guitar or piano or something, you can play with lots of different people from lots of different bands, different soloists, different singers, and it's really amazing just to kind of play with all those people and help to bring their music to life in like what you do. I also really like eating new food, and when you're a musician you can travel loads, so that's great. So the Fèis is a great way to learn some new skills or to kind of broaden the skills that you already have in a really relaxed and fun environment, and it's a great way to meet new people and rekindle friendships with other people that you've made before whilst learning some music and learning a bit of Gaelic and having fun as you go. Either Sean Connery, who used to play James Bond, or Ewan McGregor, who played Obi-Wan Kenobi in Star Wars. So the best place that I've performed is either when I did some gigs in Thailand or when I did a really long 4 and a bit week tour in New Zealand with Rachel. So I don't remember the first album, but I remember the first single that I bought. So the first single that I bought was Teenage Dirtbag by a band called Fèis. And the last album that I bought was one called Shine by Caroline Keane, who is a concertina player from Ireland. Curry, red, and playing golf or watching football. Antarctic, because I don't think anybody's ever done a gig there. My mate Mark, who's a drummer, plays with Scott Wood Band and Fatsu and Manran. John Mayer, who is an American guitarist and singer. Pino Palladino on bass. And Ainsley, who is doing some singing at the Fèis as well. So, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you sign up for Fèis Online 2020 at feisfashlik.com. I'm going to play some music for you just now. Hope you enjoy.